Revolutionize your welding operations with collaborative welding robots. Designed for seamless human-robot teamwork, our smart cobots combine precision arc welding with unmatched flexibility. Equipped with advanced collision detection and intuitive programming interfaces, they adapt to complex tasks while ensuring operator safety. No protective cages required. Whether you're handling automotive components, structural steel, or custom metal fabrication, our cobots deliver perfect welds with 0.08 mm repeatability. Key benefits: slash production time by 60%, reduce material waste by 45%, and operate 24/7 with energy-efficient performance. The plug-and-play system integrates with existing MIG/TIG setups and learns new welding patterns in minutes.